Stop hiccups instantly by drinking water upside down. It sounds wild, but this simple trick can disrupt the cycle of diaphragm spasms causing those annoying hiccups. The science? By tilting your head forward and drinking from the opposite rim of a glass, you engage different throat and diaphragm muscles, which can reset their rhythm. Next time you're plagued by those pesky hiccups, grab a glass, lean over, and sip. This quirky yet effective method could be the quick fix you never knew you needed. Try it and surprise yourself with how something so counterintuitive can be so effective.